Well, this should be fun. This is different all around for me. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Hey, hi, and hello if you're new here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, like I already said, and I do Halloween, I do crafting vlogs and now Halloween, as I recently added to my channel because I am a Halloween fanatic. I have been forever, probably 90% of my life I have been a Halloween fanatic. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna try to do more Halloween geared things on my channel. Am I going to be 100% Halloween all the time? No. So if you're new, welcome. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell. Also, if you're old and you're wondering why you're not old, you know what I mean. If you're an older subscriber and you're wondering why things are changing over, it's because I just decided that I really want to show all of my true self, not just the crafting side of me and not just the vlogging side of me, because I've got a lot of passions in my life and I really like Halloween. I've been more of myself here lately and I haven't been in forever by doing all Halloween-y things. I don't really know why I picked up that pillow, but I did. I really wanted to express myself more and become more myself versus just like robot crafts, only crafts, which it's still going to be a craft geared channel and I'm still going to be doing other crafts than Halloween. Right now I am really into Halloween related crafts, and I mean, not just because Halloween's coming up, but a lot of my crafts, when I think of crafts, I'm like, oh, that'd be perfect for Halloween, or that'd be perfect to make it spooky, or I can do this with it, and that's just where my brain goes. So that's why things are changing. I have a haul for you guys today, and also I'm in a new setting. Like, I don't know why I needed to do that. I guess because I wanted you to see this. Because my craft room is extremely hot, and I have to have fans on in there to be able to stand being in there right now, and to be able to record and you can hear me properly without having horrible audio, which right now I'm kind of wondering if you can hear my washer in the background, and I'm sorry if you can because I don't think I'm going to film this again. Anyway, I have to have fans on in there and I have to turn them off to have decent audio, otherwise you just hear this humming in the background and it's a little bit of an annoyance. There we go. So I try to Halloween it up in here a little bit, very, very little apparently, because I'm blocking it with my big head, and film a little bit of a haul because it's a little bit cooler in here. My craft room just doesn't get good AC. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul and it's all Halloween related. Maybe pumpkins are fall related, whatever. It's all Halloween related to me. So that's what it's going to be on. So I want to go ahead and jump right down into it. It's going to be a little noisy. So to start things off, I want to say that before I was able to film this, my dog decided she was going to eat some of this stuff because I left it on my hearth on my fireplace, and I had left for a couple minutes and came back and she had tore up a good chunk of my stuff I bought, which irritates me, but they're not all torn up where I can't use them. It's just she bit into it, she got curious, opened things. So it's not horrible, but it made me mad regardless. So anyway, so one of the first things she opened were these bag of bones. It has here it is. It just says decor on it when you get it, and it's a bag of 36 inhaled something there. It's a bag, it just says decor on it. It's a bag of 36 bones, which I don't think there's 36 in there now because she tore a lot of them up. She didn't eat them. She just tears I'm inhaling something. She just tears things up. I didn't at first want to get these because they're styrofoam, which then I was like, oh, that's kind of stupid, because what I had planned for them was to be outside. So if they got ruined, I was like, oh, I just kind of wanted them to be a little bit harder, but then at the same time they were $1 for a bunch of them, and I decided that it would be better just to go ahead and try them out because I think they'll be fine. I don't think they'll soak up any water or anything. That's what my brain was I don't know why I thought they would soak up water, because I'm thinking sponge. Whatever. Anyway, that's beside the point. So I got those. When she opened them, I just put them in a Ziploc baggie. The next thing she opened for me are these decorative picks. It's a bag of 4. I'm already missing one. Oh, it's over here. It's in this other bag. They're pretty decent. They're not bad quality. She did bite into one right there, which it's not horrible. They're not bad. They're not bad at all. Like, I think I'll probably go back and try to pick up another bag if I can. They didn't have very many at my Dollar Tree, so I'm hoping they still have some. But I'm probably going to go pick up another one. Oh, I got some of this color your own ornament. I've got pumpkins. It's an 8-pack. And then I got ghosts. And they're not bad. Like, little ghosts are really cute. And at first I wasn't going to get the pumpkins, and I was like, I'm just only going to get the ghosts. And then I decided, I was like, no, because then if I don't get the pumpkins, then I'll hate it. Because then I'll be like, I have an idea. But now I think I'm just going to do the typical orange and white. But I was also thinking kind of rainbow with this. That would be really pretty. Ooh, maybe I'll do that. I don't know. We'll see. Should be thinking about this right now while I'm doing this. But I thought these were really cute and not bad for $1, and they're wood, or I think they're balsa wood or whatever. That really thin wood. The other thing she tore up that I'm not going to take all the way out of the bag, I'm just going to hold it over the bag, is this, I think this is what's getting me. Because she, like, bit into it and opened it. Straw bale. And, it's not bad. I had an idea for my fireplace with this. It's got like a little wire around it even. Like, it's pretty cute. I have makeup underneath my nail. I try to get it out. I think it's stained. Please ignore it. I'm sorry. It's pretty cute. I got an idea for that for my mantle. Hopefully. But if it's bothering me like it's bothering me now, it might not go in my house at all. Like up on my mantle. I don't know if it's like the little pieces because they're flying. It didn't bother me earlier. I don't know why it's bothering me now. That's weird. It doesn't matter. Let's move on. So that's one bag. And then she got into these. Yay, these are just, it says decorative filler, but they're just glittery pumpkins, but you can see that she bit into some. Like, let's talk about glitter for a second. I like glitter. I really like glitter, but I'm weird about glitter on things. Like, I like the color of this glitter. I don't like the way it looks on these pumpkins. I don't know why it bothers me. It's not bothers me in a bad way, but bothers me like I don't like it. Like, it's not good. I got these at first before I saw these other pumpkins I'll show you in a second, because these are the only ones I could find, like small. And I was like, oh, that's fine, I'll just deal with those because they are glitter. I do like glitter, yada yada yada. I don't know, the more I think about it, the more I'm like, I don't know if I'll use those, but even if I don't use these, I can donate them or something, you know, or they'll go to somebody else and not just go in the garbage. You know, I tried not to do a whole lot of waste. So I saw these first before I saw these here, and I liked the size and the looks of these better. And they're just decorative picks again, a pack of 10. They're really small, probably about the size of a dime, maybe a nickel. They're not bad. Like, they're pretty good. The quality, like, they're close to the quality of these. Look at this. Like, they're not bad at all. Like, for $1, not horrible. They're not going to be staying on these picks though. That's the idea. I have an idea to take these off. So, hopefully it'll work out. The next thing, this is probably my favorite find, is this boo sign. If you've been here for a while, you know that my favorite Halloween word is boo. My second would probably be eek, but they had this and eek in these signs, and it's like, I can't remember what this wood's called, but it's basically wood and glued pressed together to make this is pressed into a shape, or whatever. It's, you know what I mean. I can't remember what it's called. I want to say MDF, but I don't think that's correct. I don't even know where I get MDF from. I have no idea. This is pretty cool. I have some ideas for this, obviously, because I bought it. They had these last year in the XOXO, or not last year, earlier this year, an XOXO around Valentine's Day for the Valentine's Day decor or whatever. They're pretty good. I'm excited about it. I'm hoping it'll work out with what I have in mind for this. So this was a top find for me. I'm excited about this. And then this, look how cool is this? This is the only one that they had, and it's a really good size. It's a decent size. And I thought that this would look cute on my mantle, and I can't believe there's a fly in here. I don't know where it went. I can't believe that there was only one there, but I think why there was only one, because they're such good quality for the Dollar Tree that they went really fast. So I'm hoping maybe I can go to another Dollar Tree in my area. I'm able to, because of things right now. I try not to go out a whole lot just because everything's ramping back up. I'm hoping that maybe I can find some more of these later on. Possibly, maybe, we'll see. But it's a pretty good quality. Usually you get like one of these for like $5 or something like that, maybe more even, at Michael's or Joann's or something. And to find this for $1 this decent of a quality is really good. Like, it's pretty sturdy base. Hopefully it's not top heavy. I mean, it was standing up at the store, but it's, look at that. It's just it's a decent tree. Usually, like I said, you don't find these for that cheap. I'm excited about that. The next thing are these mini hay bales, and it took me a minute to realize what these were. My watch thought I was talking to it. It took me a minute to realize what these were. It's actually like hay pieces, or maybe even sawdust, I'm not real sure, glued to like a tiny block of wood. So I was like, because it has some weight to it, it has some pep to it, which is good if you're decorating like a little scene with it. It won't like fall over or anything, but I thought those were cute. I thought they'd be cute on the mantle if they go with what I'm thinking now, especially since that might not work out, the other hay bale. But I saw these and I was like, oh, okay, I'll try these out. I thought they were cute. That's not bad. And then I got this, I think it's called a dahlia clip. I think that's how you say that. I can't ever say it right. It's showing up kind of red on camera, but it's purple, like a deep pinky red purple. But it's coming off real red. Guess my shirt's coming off a different color than it is too. Well, maybe not. Just kidding. I have no idea. But it's coming off. Maybe it'll be different on like my computer program versus what I'm seeing on the screen. If you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at myself on the screen to see what it looks like, and I can barely see it, so I'm squinting. I think it's pretty cute, and I had an idea for maybe it'll go in my wreath or be part of my wreath, because it's real pretty, I thought. And it's got a little bit of glitter on there, of course. It's not bad for $1. Okay, and then I got these metal words that says haunted, spooky, and beware. And they're a pretty decent size. I don't know why I'm showing all three at once. Haunted. And it's like galvanized metal, I guess. Really is metal. Beware. Spooky. I kind of got it for the words haunted and spooky. Beware is not my favorite word. Like Halloween words, Halloween-esque words, you know what I mean, like words you see around Halloween time, like whatever, you know. It's beware's not my favorite, so spooky and haunted are my favorite, and I thought maybe I could do something creative with these, hopefully. If not bad for $1 of 3-pack. You get 3 in there, so that's pretty good. And like I said, anything like that, like Michael's or Joann's, granted it'd probably be a little bit bigger, would have been $5-10 for one of those, maybe a 3-pack, but usually that kind of stuff is a little bit more higher priced. So at the Dollar Tree, they did pretty well this year. Like, the quality of items is not bad. They upped their game in what they're creating versus just the typical styrofoam pumpkin. Granted, these are styrofoam, yes, but they're not like those ones they had with the line in them every year. They're not bad. They just have that like super definitive, it's been in a mold, squished styrofoam together with some glue. They're cute if you're on a super budget, and you can definitely DIY some stuff out of those, but they're upping their game. They're definitely upping their game. Like, come on, look at this. Look how cute. Again, I wish there was more of these. I hope that you liked everything, I guess. I don't really know. I like everything. I guess that's what matters. I enjoy sharing it with you, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. I will try to do some more hauls for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below what was your favorite haul item of mine. Like I said, is the boo and the tree for me. Those are my absolute favorites, and I think these are a good third place runner up. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.